Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and it does not really matter whether it will be on the photo, video, night mode, portrait mode. We just have to enter the general settings. So let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here on the second position in the photo section we've got the time lapse, which is for some reason the name of the timer in this device. So here, as you can see, we've got 4 different options. We've got the off, 2, 5 and 8 seconds delay. So let me pick 8 seconds delay. Just tap on it, and after tapping it will be notified here, which simply means that after getting back to the camera your device will use the countdown. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 8 or 3 or 5, and after that time it will simply take a photo, and basically it will work the same with all other options, so 3 or 5 seconds delay. So let's enter the settings and turn off the time lapse. Just tap on the off. As you can see, it is notified here, and after tapping on the shutter button your device will take photos immediately. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.